Welcome to Lawn Rush. In today's video, we're going to be doing some much needed maintenance on our lawnmowers. So here we have the air filters. We got 360 hours and I haven't changed the air filter. So I'm going to go ahead and just switch these out, you know, take a look here. I mean, it's not terrible. It's still all right, but I'm just going to change it out just because. And you know, it could have been, I've seen way worse as far as air filters are concerned, but I don't know, I'm losing speed. So this thing's rated for like 12 miles an hour. I've got a GPS tracker somewhere hidden on here, and it's only getting like 9 to 10 miles an hour. So something's definitely going on. It's not getting its full speed. But while we're here, we will also change or take a look at this air filter. Maybe we won't change it, but this one here isn't that bad. I mean, barely any. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe, I don't know if I'll reuse that again. I don't know, maybe I'll just change it out just because the inners, this inner hardly has anything on it, so we'll continue to run this. Maybe it's more microscopic, but I don't see nothing. Oh, thank you. You got that one? Let me see that.
The reversion is out.
So yeah, the inner filter here, I'm gonna change it just as a, because this is an expensive machine, but it probably doesn't need it. Now this here needs some attention. The old 36, just not as good as a design. Doesn't have the big Donaldson. Ooh, that's definitely having an impact on our performance. So I think a good practice with this is to blow everything out before you even take it off. So maybe my boy can do that. Nathan, take that leaf blower. Blow all the grass from here with the battery. You hear me? Here, I'll help you. That one. Hopefully that's not gonna be too loud for you guys, but anyway, we're gonna switch them both just as a formality. It's filters are cheap. I have no idea. I mean, the service life on these inner ones must be pretty long. I only ordered one inner one because on the old one, I don't feel like it needs it. Look at him go. Good job, boy. Keep going. Here's the new inner going in. Let's see if we can make a short with him. Put this inner in here. Easy peasy.
Wow, what's Bug wearing?
Uh-oh. Forget it short. I'll go ahead and keep going. So yeah, new Donaldson. I'd like to meet Mr. Donaldson. Pretty cool dude. We'll go all new. So let's look at this compared to the old, the brand new. So this is the old. There's the inners don't do a whole lot. There is some dirt on there, but I think that's because he dropped it. But looking at the outers do most of the work. I mean, these filters are overkill for the typical lawn maintenance type of operation. Now things will get dusty and make things a lot more harsh. Let me make sure this inner is all the way set. That's in there. And then here comes the outer. And we are good to go. And then we got our cap.
There you go.
And then we got our clips.
There you go.
There you go. And then for this guy, we'll put another filter on it.
And this guy, I have to do this. This guy, I have to do this. I do this.
You got it? Where you putting it?
On that.
Yes, sir.
And over. This down.
Good job. That don't go on there. You already put one on there. That's the new one, not the old one.
Oh.
So I know you guys have seen worse, but maybe I'm being a little OCD because that filter's got a lot of life left in it, but whatever, man. And then put this on there.
Is this on there?
Clip.
And clip. Sorry, clip on there.
Is it in there good? Because I'm pushing pretty tight. Make sure it's in there all the way. Yeah, you got it in there all the way. Yep. It's just a tight fit. Nice and tight. Looking good. A little dry rot there. And that, hopefully that doesn't fail. If it does, maybe think about replacing this hose. That wouldn't be cool. Dust my engine. Alright. And yeah, that's it for the air filters. Pretty easy. We'll toss this stuff. What I'm gonna do, save old air filters for what? Can't be a hoarder. Oh man, what an obstacle course. Dang. I need some more garbage cans. Thank you. Careful, sis. Hey, don't you bust it. Don't bust it. Don't get greasy. Oh no, your shoe. I save you.
Her doesn't like to work. Only up.
No, Sissy can work. She likes working. She's a good worker.
I think her doesn't.
Alright guys, but that's it for our quick maintenance video. Well, I gotta find a filter. You don't want to see that. But anyway, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching Lawn Rush. Over and out.